stop by for the scenic view right up there. We are going, it's like close to 100-degree Fahrenheit temperature, very hot. But still, there are so many people having fun.
Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring every corner of the massive Hoover Dam in Nevada. Let's see what secrets we can uncover. Today, you're going to explore the massive Hoover Dam in Nevada, uncovering its history, engineering marvels, and stunning views. The construction of the Hoover Dam was a monumental task that came with its fair share of challenges. Building a dam of this magnitude in the 1930s was no easy feat, especially considering the harsh conditions the workers faced. The blistering desert heat, coupled with the steep canyon walls, made it a daunting task to construct the dam. Despite these obstacles, the workers persevered, and their dedication paid off. One of the major hurdles was the engineering aspect of the dam. The dam's design required innovative solutions to overcome the immense water pressure and flow. The construction team had to develop new techniques and tools to manage the concrete pouring process, which was a crucial element in building the dam's foundation. Financing the project was also a significant challenge, as it required massive investments from the government and private entities. The construction of the Hoover Dam was a massive undertaking that required careful planning and coordination. The project employed over 21,000 workers, who toiled day and night to complete the dam. Despite the challenges, the dam was completed in just 5 years, a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the workers. The dam's construction was not without its controversies, however. The project displaced numerous communities and altered the natural environment, leading to concerns about the impact on local ecosystems. These concerns still linger today, and the dam's environmental footprint remains a topic of discussion. The Hoover Dam is an engineering marvel that has revolutionized the way we generate hydroelectric power. The dam's massive concrete structure spans over 1,244 feet, with a capacity to store over 28 million acre-feet of water. This enormous capacity enables the dam to provide power to millions of people across the southwestern United States. The dam's purpose goes beyond just generating power, it also helps regulate the flow of the Colorado River, preventing devastating floods downstream. The dam's impact on the surrounding environment is undeniable, and its construction has forever changed the landscape of the region. One of the most striking features of the Hoover Dam is its sheer scale. Standing at an impressive 726 feet tall, the dam is an awe-inspiring sight that leaves visitors speechless. The enormity of Lake Mead behind the dam is equally breathtaking, with its crystal-clear waters stretching as far as the eye can see. The lake's massive size is a testament to the dam's immense capacity, and it's a sight that's not to be missed. As we explore the dam, it's hard not to be struck by the magnitude of this engineering feat. The Hoover Dam is a testament to human ingenuity and determination, a reminder that even the most complex challenges can be overcome with hard work and perseverance. In conclusion, the Hoover Dam is an incredible feat of engineering that has left an indelible mark on the world. From its construction challenges to its impressive scale, the dam is a true marvel that deserves to be explored and appreciated. Thanks for joining me on this epic adventure. Don't
Hoover Dam and Lake Mead have provided a reliable source of water and affordable electricity to the people of the Southwest since the 1930s. The growth of great American cities like Los Angeles would not have been possible without this dam. Nor would the irrigated farmland of the region, which supply 80% of America's winter fruits and vegetables, have been able to provide such bounty.
At the Hoover Dam in Nevada, a striking convergence of nature and engineering unfolds as tourists flock to marvel at the colossal structure, which stands as a testament to human ingenuity. Visitors, often mesmerized by the dam's sweeping views of the Colorado River and surrounding landscapes, navigate the bustling pathways that connect observation points, while the constant flow of traffic on the dam itself creates a unique blend of activity. Amidst this vibrant scene, the local wildlife occasionally makes an appearance, with birds soaring overhead and desert creatures scurrying about, reminding all who visit that nature persists even in the shadow of monumental human achievement. This dynamic interplay of animals, infrastructure, and human curiosity captures the essence of the Hoover Dam as a site where engineering triumphs coexist harmoniously with the natural world. The Hoover Dam Visitor Center offers an engaging introduction to one of America's most iconic engineering marvels. Visitors can explore informative exhibits detailing the dam's history, construction, and impact on the region. Tickets to the Visitor Center typically include access to the exhibits and an array of guided tours that provide a deeper understanding of the dam's operation and significance. The most popular tour option is the guided tour, which takes guests into the heart of the dam itself, allowing them to explore its inner workings and learn fascinating stories from knowledgeable guides. Advanced ticket purchase is recommended, especially during peak tourist seasons, to ensure a smooth and enriching experience at this historic landmark.
Finished. They're roughly 4,000 feet long. It took nearly 2 years to blast out of solid bedrock. The initial purpose of those diversion tunnels was to move the river away from the project during construction. It would be difficult for concrete to move the river. Now to move the river, they put in what's called a coffer dam with 2 sections. The upper dam forced the river into the tunnels and around, while the lower section stopped the river from passing the tributary.
At the Hoover Dam, the intricate system of turbines and generators plays a crucial role in electricity production, harnessing the power of the Colorado River. The dam houses 17 large turbines, each connected to generators that convert the kinetic energy of flowing water into electrical energy. As water flows through the dam, it spins the turbines, which in turn activate the generators to produce electricity. This process can generate over 4,000 megawatts of hydroelectric power, enough to supply electricity to millions of homes across the southwestern United States. The combination of innovative engineering and natural resources makes Hoover Dam a vital contributor to the region's energy supply, while also serving as a symbol of sustainable energy practices.
So after completing the inside tour, we just came out and the weather was very beautiful and the temperature was like above 100°F. It was like burning, but we enjoyed a lot in this harsh weather because this place is worth visiting. Beautiful. The art of engineering you will see here.
Yes, Hoover Dam. तो हम उस ब्रिज पे थे ना।
हम उस वाले ब्रिज पे थे।
यहाँ का पानी है पर let's go Hoover Dam area. ओए, क्या सारे से कैमरे से वीडियो बनाता हूँ।
Don't forget to leave your thoughts on the Hoover Dam in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos on iconic landmarks.